Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to encrypt Excel files. Protecting your sensitive information in spreadsheets is incredibly important for data security. We will go through the straightforward process of adding a password to your Excel workbooks, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view or modify your content. This simple step can significantly enhance the privacy and integrity of your valuable data, giving you peace of mind. To begin, open the Excel file you wish to protect. Next, click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of your screen. From there, select Info and then click on the Protect Workbook option. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Encrypt with Password. You will then be prompted to enter a password. Type a strong, unique password, confirm it by typing it again, and click OK. Remember this password. Crafting a robust password is your first line of defense. Aim for a password that is at least 8 characters long, ideally 12 or more. Incorporate a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to make it truly complex. Steer clear of common words, birth dates, or personal names. A strong password acts like a formidable lock, keeping your sensitive data safe from prying eyes. It is crucial to remember that if you forget your password, there is no recovery option, and your data will be permanently inaccessible. Always share encrypted files only with people you absolutely trust. For managing multiple complex passwords, consider utilizing a reputable password manager. Finally, always maintain regular backups of your critical Excel workbooks to prevent any potential data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.